So with inefficiencies, sorry, with the in with the inefficiencies, we have gaps, we have liquidity voids, we have fair value gaps, we have gaps, we have inefficiency, we have fair value gaps. So, and then we already discussed the liquidity void, and that's your assignment for this week. You are going to go into the market and look at it. Here, the wicks intersect each other, but the bodies does not cross. So I'm going to talk about fair value gap with the liquidity void, and then all you have to do this week is just look for fair value gaps and then look for liquidity void. Fair value gap is a region in the market where two candles are opposite and a candle. There are two candles in between a candle. They are candles here. There's two candles beside one candle where there is what? There's only buys. There's been only a buy, but there's no selling. This is a fair value liquidity. This is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. It's different from liquidity void. In the liquidity void, it is only the candles that intersect each other. There is no body. But in the fair value gap, there is a body, but it has not been totally closed. There is still a space where the bodies have not crossed. Yeah, where the candle is. So you are going to look at what the highest of this candle. The highest of this is 102,731. 102,731. 102,731. This is the highest one. This is the highest of this candle, and then the lowest of this candle that intersected this candle, the lowest is 103,418. 103,418. 103,418. So this is a fair value gap. Fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. Don't go on the internet looking for videos of this. You will confuse yourself. Don't go on YouTube or internet looking for these videos. You will confuse yourself. So I want you to just stick to this. Just go into your chart. It's just two assignments. You are looking for where there are fair value gaps, and you are looking for where there are what? Liquidity void. Don't try. This is a liquidity void. This one is a liquidity void. This one. So you are going to take this one, the close of this candle. I told you the bullish candle has a close. It has an open, it has a close, and it has a high. So it first of all open, come and create a low, go up to create a high, and then closes here. So the close of this candle is 100,312. 100,312. You come here. 100,312. So this is a close. And the opening of this one, the opening of this candle, the opening is 100, 500. That's 100, 500. So this what? A liquidity void. You have a week. So even if you take one day, you watch a video, take another day, you use 3 days, sit down, take 1 hour and watch this video, watch it over and over. I just want you to identify. Whenever you come to the market, these are the things that you have to be looking out for. Yeah. You are going to look for, I think it's more like 3 or 4 assignments today. You are going to look for the old highs, you are going to look for the old low, but use the weekly time frame. So this is the assignment on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can go to the past, you can go to any part of the chart and look for it. Just look for it and then identify all this on the weekly time frame. Identify fair value gaps, identify old lows and old highs. Identify as much liquidity voice you can find. Identify as much fair value gaps you can find. Is it as many? As much? Oh, whatever it is, but for now you can put it. So these are assignments. So I'm going to show you another last one. Let me see if I can find another fair value gaps. Let me just put this at times 10 seconds or something. If you have the cash, you can pay for the trading view. You can do one month, you can use it, and you can just pay for it and then use it. It's going to help you. You go into the past and then play how it is. The free ones, you don't have access to this. So let me pause this and see. Let me pause this and see. So this also another one. This is an imbalance. This is a liquidity voice. This is a liquidity voice. So you just come there, look for, and then this one you look for what? The close of this. The close. So you're gonna come here, look for the close. The close is 112.112.0112. You double click it. 112.0112. This is and then you come here, you look for the open. The open is 109. The open is, what's the open? The open is 111.876. 111.876. 111.876. So that's one. So you just put it and then you type. You just come here. Liquidity void. So you can take it and send me screenshots. Yeah, you send me screenshot. This is how you create a screenshot. You come here. There's a take snapshot. Take a screenshot, and then do it nicely, and then you send it to me. Present it to me. Just present it to me. Everybody who's watching this video have to present. If you don't present it, you are not joining the next class. And that's all. If you don't present it, you are not joining the next class. So everybody should present me. No plagiarism. I just want you to find it. Be confident of yourself. You can find it. There's another one here. Since I'm showing it on the XY, I'll tell you to use the GU. You go for either gold or something. You can go for gold. So I think you should use a gold. You can go for gold. I know it by heart, so I can find it. There's another one here too. So you come here, look for the open of this. The open is 184745. 184745. 184745. Copy. So you copy and then you come for the opening of this. The open is 85334. 81334. So this is what they put their liquidity void. Liquidity void. Yeah. And then you come for your fair value gap too as well. This is a fair value gap. This one. There's a fair value gap. All should be done on the weekly time frame, please. This is a fair value gap. This is a void. This place is a void. That's a void. So you can just draw it nicely. You come here, increase it very well. Just come, look at it, examine it, look at it very well. Just open it, highlight it. Highlight it. You can increase it. Increase it, take it precisely. Just take it precisely. When you are doing this exercise, it's going to open another aspect of your brain. Yeah. It's going to open another aspect of your brain for you to recognize. If you don't do it, you are hurting yourself. 205295. 20 close 205295. 5295. And I come to the open of this. So the open of this is 205770. 205770. 205770. 205770. So please, that